This is how to install a ringtone from iTheme to your iPhone. First of all, find a tone that you like. Like this one. Hit save. Now connect your iPhone to your PC or Mac. On your desktop, open iTunes. Now in iTunes, select your device, go to Apps, scroll all the way down. In File Sharing, you'll find iTheme. Drag and drop the tones you downloaded to your desktop. Double-click each one, and they'll be added to your iTunes library. Make sure that you've selected Sync Tones in the settings for your device, and apply. Now your tones will be uploaded to your iPhone. On your iPhone, go to the Settings app, go to Sounds, there we are, and here you can just select the tones you just downloaded and apply them. That's it. I hope you enjoy, and if you like iTheme, it would be great if you could write a good review on the App Store. Thank you.